What if I told you some YouTubers are making more in a single month than most people earn in an entire year? It sounds like clickbait, but it's the reality for creators who have tapped into a handful of overlooked, high-value niches. While the average YouTube channel makes a respectable $2 to $4 per 1,000 views, the niches we're about to break down are in a completely different league. We're talking $8, $15, even $25 per 1,000 views. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the top 5 niches that are absolutely crushing it with high CPMs and ad revenue right now. We'll be covering finance, health, tech, travel, and relationships, but not in the way you think. Stick around because the secrets behind these high-earning channels are simpler than you imagine. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to potentially skyrocketing your own earnings. Before we dive in, let me give you some quick context. This isn't just a list I pulled out of thin air. We spent months analyzing thousands of channels, digging into CPM rates reported by creators, and tracking the biggest content trends projected for the next year. We crunched the numbers, and the data is clear. Creators in these specific fields can earn 3 to 4 times more per view than traditional entertainment or vlog-style creators. Why? Because the advertisers in these spaces, finance companies, health brands, tech corporations, are willing to pay a premium to get their products in front of a highly motivated and targeted audience. The creators who understand this are the ones quietly building empires. They've figured out the formula, and today, we're sharing it with you. Let's kick things off with the absolute king of high CPM YouTube niches, personal finance and money making. This niche is exploding for a reason. With rising inflation and economic uncertainty, people are more desperate than ever for actionable financial advice. They aren't just looking for entertainment, they're searching for solutions. They want to know how to invest, how to build side hustles, and how to navigate a complex economy. Channels like Graham Stephan or Investing Simplified have built massive audiences by breaking down complex topics into digestible, trustworthy content. Advertisers are lining up to reach this audience, which is why CPMs in the finance niche can range from a staggering $15 to $25. Video trends that are performing exceptionally well include tutorials on starting a side hustle, deep dives into crypto or real estate investing, and challenge-style videos like How I Made $10,000 in 30 Days. The key to success here is radical transparency. You need to share your own financial journey, your wins, and your losses. People connect with personal stories far more than generic advice. Combine this with actionable tips they can implement immediately, and you have a winning formula. Pro tip: people want quick wins. Focus on content that delivers immediate, tangible results, and you'll build an incredibly loyal following. Next up, at number 2 is health and wellness. But we're not talking about generic workout videos or basic diet plans. The modern health niche has evolved. It's now hyper-focused on specific high-value sub-niches like mental health optimization, biohacking, gut health, and sleep science. Audiences are more educated and are looking for deep, science-backed information that can genuinely improve their quality of life. Think of channels like Thomas DeLauer, who breaks down the science of nutrition, or even smaller micro-channels focused on a single topic like improving cognitive function. The CPMs here are strong, typically ranging from $8 to $15 per 1,000 views. The emotional stakes in this niche are incredibly high. Viewers aren't just passively watching, they are actively seeking solutions to deeply personal problems, whether it's anxiety, chronic fatigue, or brain fog. This emotional investment leads to massive engagement. Current video trends include myth-busting popular health fads, documenting 30-day challenges like quitting caffeine, and reacting to viral health trends from other platforms. Your strategy should be to highlight the life-changing impact of the information you're providing. When you're talking about someone's health, you have their undivided attention. Coming in at number 3 is a niche that's both evergreen and constantly evolving: technology and gadgets. The secret to making money on YouTube in the tech space today isn't just about reviewing the latest smartphone. It's about focusing on practical tech solutions that solve real-world problems. Audiences are hungry for content on AI tools that can boost their productivity, smart home setups that simplify their lives, and automation software that saves them time. The focus has shifted from consumerism to utility. Creators who specialize in specific areas, like AI tutorials or electric vehicle deep dives, are seeing immense success. CPM rates are excellent, often falling between $10 and $18. What makes this niche so powerful is the revenue potential beyond AdSense. Affiliate links for software and gadgets are incredibly lucrative, and brand deals with tech companies can be worth tens of thousands of dollars. The most successful videos right now have titles like 5 AI Tools That Will Change Your Life or The Ultimate Smart Home for Beginners. The goal is to demystify technology and show people how it can tangibly improve their day-to-day existence. By focusing on tech that makes life easier, you appeal to a broad, motivated audience that advertisers are eager to reach. Our fourth high-performing niche might surprise you. Travel. After years of being grounded, the world is traveling again, but the way people approach it has fundamentally changed. The era of purely scenic travel vlogs is over. Viewers now crave practical, value-driven content. They want to know how to travel smarter, cheaper, and for longer. This has given rise to a new wave of travel creators focused on budget travel guides, digital nomad lifestyle tips, and travel hacking strategies. While the CPMs are a bit lower than our top 3, ranging from $6 to $12, the monetization opportunities are massive. Creators like Kara and Nate have built an empire not just on ad revenue, but on affiliate programs with booking platforms, credit card companies, and travel gear brands. The key to success is creating hyper-specific content. Instead of a generic video about Japan, a winning title would be How to Survive in Tokyo on $50 a Day. Instead of a vlog about Europe, it's The Ultimate Eastern Europe Digital Nomad Guide. You are no longer just a filmmaker, you are a travel consultant, providing immense value that helps your audience save money and have better experiences. This builds incredible trust and loyalty. Finally, at number 5, we have the emotionally charged and highly engaging niche of relationships and dating. This is a topic that is fundamental to the human experience, and as a result, the audience is deeply invested. The content works because it's personal, relatable, and sparks conversation, leading to high comment counts and shares, metrics that the YouTube algorithm loves. CPMs in this space are solid, typically landing between $7 and $14 per 1,000 views. The modern relationship niche isn't about generic advice. It's about tackling specific contemporary challenges. Successful video trends include breaking down communication skills for modern couples, navigating the complexities of online dating, and exploring personality type compatibility guides. The most crucial factor for success is authentic expertise and sensitivity. Viewers need to trust that you are providing thoughtful, well-researched advice that can genuinely help them. This isn't a niche for surface-level content. You have to be willing to go deep on complex emotional topics. So, would you rather give generic advice or create content that helps people solve real, meaningful relationship struggles? The latter is where you'll find a dedicated and appreciative audience. So, what do these 5 wildly different niches all have in common? It boils down to a few core principles. First, they all prioritize solving a specific problem over pure entertainment. Whether it's financial anxiety, a health issue, a tech problem, travel planning, or a relationship struggle, these creators provide tangible solutions. Second, they are built on a foundation of trust, transparency, and community. Viewers see these creators as credible experts and trusted guides. And third, they all leverage monetization methods far beyond just AdSense. They master affiliate marketing, brand sponsorships, and selling their own digital or physical products. The real takeaway is this: to make money on YouTube successfully, stop thinking about what you want to create and start thinking about what problem you can solve. Identify a pain point within one of these high CPM YouTube niches, and you'll find an audience ready to watch, engage, and support your channel. The opportunity is right in front of you. The question is, will you keep watching others cash in, or will you take this information and start building your own successful channel today? Hit subscribe now and join ProfitTube for weekly tips on growth, monetization, and AI tools that help you succeed faster.